What is going on, guys? In this video we're going to be doing a free code caps challenge of React section and learning about using lifecycle method called componentWillMount. So React components have special methods that provide opportunities to perform actions at specific points in lifecycle of a component. These are called lifecycle methods or lifecycle hooks, and they allow you to cache components at certain points in time. This can be before they are rendered, before they are updated, or before they receive props, and or before they are unmount, and so on. There's some list of main lifecycle methods. For example, components will mount method, component did mount, should component update, component did update, and component will unmount. And the next several lessons will cover some of the basic use cases for these lifecycle methods. Cool. And also the component will mount lifecycle method will be deprecated in the future version of 16.x, and it will be removed in version 17. Alright, and if you're really curious about the source of it, you can click this link over here. Alright, so the exercise tells us that the component will mount method is called before the rendered. Excuse me. Before the render method, which is this one. So this is our render method here, and the component will mount is called over here. And when a component is being mounted to the DOM, alright, so it asks us to log something to the console within component will mount, so here, and you may want to have your browser console open to see the output. So first of all, let's just open the console, right click anywhere. Alright, actually right click on this white space here and then inspect, and then go to your console here. Alright, and now I want you to type in so log out and say the component will mount, and you should see this output in your console, which is over here. Alright, cool. So basically what this method does is execute whatever the code you put in this method. It will execute before the page has been rendered. Alright, okay, cool. So let's see if our test passes. Oops. Yep, here we go. And yes, it does. Alright guys, I really hope you understood the concept of how to use a lifecycle method, component will mount specifically. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. And until the next video, have fun practicing. I'll see you then.